Welcome back, children, to the lesson nervous system. Right? So, as a part of nervous system, we already discussed about the organs present in the nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and neurons are the major organs of the nervous system. Right? So, in the last class, we learned how do it performs the duty. Actually, it acts like a control room, and it receives the messages from the sense organs. It receives messages from sense organs, and whatever the message that is received by the sense organ, it is going to analyze. It is going to analyze by the brain. Then brain will send the reply to the functioning organs. So here these are sense organs. Sense organs sends the message to the brain. Who sends? Sense organ sends the message to the brain. The problem. Then problem will be solved here in the brain, and the solution will be given to the functioning organs. मतलब जो कुछ भी देखा है आपने, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सीन द स्नेक, एक सांप को देखा है आप, जो कुछ भी चीज देखा है, ये सेंस ऑर्गन क्या करते हैं? ब्रेन को मैसेज सेंड करे न्यूरॉन्स के साथ. ये भी न्यूरॉन्स रहता है, यहाँ पे न्यूरॉन्स कैरी करता है क्या मैसेज? द पिक्चर ऑफ द स्नेक विल गो टू द ब्रेन, देन ब्रेन विल सी द पिक्चर. Okay, it is snake. If it bite, it is harmful to us. Then it gives the reply to your organs, body organs, functioning organs, that it is a snake. Please go far away from the snake. वहाँ मत खड़े रहो, भागो. बोल के कौन मैसेज देगा? ब्रेन. So brain is the analyzer. Brain is analyzer here, right? So let us see where do the brain is present and what are the structure present in the brain and spinal cord, right? So let us start with the brain. Very good. So brain. Here brain is the large part of nervous system. It is large part of nervous system, and it is folded. It get folded like this. It show many foldings. Okay, now brain show many foldings, right? And this is the major part of the brain. It is sorry. It is called cerebrum. And see here, cerebrum is protected by, even brain is protected by skull. Brain is protected by skull. Here it is the eyes, and here it is the ears, right? So brain is present in the skull, bony box, and the major part of the brain is called cerebrum. After cerebrum, there is another part, brain part. It is called cerebellum. That is cerebrum, it is cerebellum. That is cerebrum, this is cerebellum. And cerebellum is attached to one stalk-like structure called medulla. It is called medulla. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. These three are the main parts of brain. Right? And now, after medulla, it continues like a cylindrical structure called spinal cord. It is called spinal cord. Okay, right. So here brain has three major parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla, and it is spinal cord. From the spinal cord, we can able to see the neurons that are going to the other body parts, that are going to other body parts like this. Okay, right. So first come to brain. Brain have three major parts, and brain is protected by the skull. It is protected by skull, the bony box. Khopri कहते हैं इसे, right? And in the skull there is a brain. Brain contains three major parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Cerebrum. Okay, cerebrum का ड्यूटी क्या है? ड्यूटीज क्या है? Cerebrum is the largest part of brain and it performs multi-functions. Many functions are performed by the cerebrum. Actually, it is the analyzer. It can able to sense the problem and it gives the answer to the problem also, right? So here, what functions do it perform? Cerebrum can able to perform memory function. It stores the memory. One brain is equal to 100 supercomputers. जो कंप्यूटर्स में कितना भी मेमोरी रहने दो, वो मेमोरी अपने ब्रेन में फीड कर सकते हैं अपने, राइट? मेमोरी. एंड योर इंटेलिजेंस. इंटेलिजेंस, व्हाट इज मीन बाय इंटेलिजेंस? आपका ब्राइटनेस, द स्मार्टनेस विल बी देयर इनसाइड द सेरेब्रम, राइट? अगर समझो मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपको, फॉर एग्जांपल बर्ड्स फ्लाई बाय wings, you can able to answer because of this intelligence that is stored in the cerebrum. And by using cerebrum you can feel the pain, you can feel the pain, you can feel the temperature, pain, temperature. You can speak, speech, vision, listen. All these functions can be done by the cerebrum. It can be done by cerebrum. So cerebrum can able to store the memory. It gives you intelligence. It feels the pain, temperature, taste, speech, listen, talk, vision. Everything will be stored in the brain. This part of the brain will function all these. It do all these functions. Okay, maximum sense organs are connected to the, all sense organs are connected to cerebrum. They are connected to cerebrum. Why? Because eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin, they are closely attached to the cerebrum. Next, so this is about cerebrum. Next come to cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum is a also called hind brain, पीछे वाला भेजा, right? Hind brain. Hind brain, it is small in size when compared to cerebrum. When you compare with the cerebrum, cerebellum is very smaller. So here, what do cerebellum do? Cerebellum का काम क्या है? Cerebellum, it controls the voluntary muscles. It controls voluntary muscles. क्या है voluntary muscles? Skeletal muscles. Already we discussed in the previous lesson. So voluntary muscles can be under control of cerebellum. They are under control of cerebellum. मतलब if I say raise your right hand, you are going to raise. If I say sit down, you are going to sit down. Stand up, move. Whatever the actions that you are doing with your conscious, they are called voluntary movements. That voluntary movements can be taken care by cerebellum, right? Cerebellum can take care of voluntary muscles. If a person have alcohol, समझो शराब पिए, क्या बोलते दारू पिए समझो, right? Then the connection between the cerebellum and body muscles will be cut. When there is no signaling between the cerebellum and body muscles, then the person unable to stand, right? He unable to talk properly. He don't know what he is doing, right? So the alcoholic person, he get cut off the nerves which are connected to cerebellum and body parts. Right? So this is about cerebellum. It controls the voluntary muscles. Next come to medulla. Medulla is the part which connects brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord can be connected by the medulla. Actually it is called medulla oblongata. So medulla connects brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. Here what function do medulla? What is the function of medulla? Medulla do all sudden actions. All sudden actions. All sudden actions will come under medulla. For example, sneezing, coughing, vomiting, swallowing, breathing, heartbeat, all they come under medulla. All they come under medulla means all sudden actions, right? All sudden actions and involuntary actions will be under control of medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. So all sudden actions will be there in medulla oblongata. So समझो brain नहीं है तो क्या होगा अपन को? Brain is the restless organ. It never take any rest. Even the heart takes rest, but brain never take rest. अगर brain rest लिया समझो आपका काम हो गया, right? So brain always it functions and it do different functions with the different parts of the brain. Brain contains cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. With the help of cerebrum, it stores the memory, intelligence, pain, pressure, touch, speech, vision, listen, talk, smell, right? All will be there. And whereas in cerebellum, it controls voluntary muscles. It controls voluntary muscles. And whereas all sudden actions will be taken place by the medulla. Sneezing, coughing, what do you call, swallowing, vomiting, breathing, all can be under the control of medulla. So I hope you understand this part. In further session we'll learn more about this, right? Thank you.